Guys, and welcome back to my channel. You see the vibes, things are a little different. Let's do a little makeup therapy while I figure out what's going on with my makeup situation. If you guys want to see more, let's go. So I decided very last minute. Now I know I remember specifically saying in a vlog I didn't want to do a wig for my birthday, but last minute I decided I want to be a ginger for my birthday, and y'all know I'm not about to bleach my actual hair, so wig it is. And this is actually the wig that I showed you guys in the Eula. I think it'll be in the description. I believe this wig is from Eula Hair, but whatever that wig was, this is it. I just bleached it and dyed it ginger, and mind you, like, it took very well to the bleach, it took very well to all of that, so quality hair. But you know, especially like when you switch up to a color, when it comes to doing your makeup, like for the first time after that, it's the trial and error type process. Like even right now, you know, clearly my brows are not ginger. So this is actually a brown lip liner that I use to do my brows, and it's the same, actually I'm not positive it's the same color, but I always end up doing my brows with a lip liner anytime because I've done lighter ginger and it was the same brand of lip liner, at least. I'm not sure if it's the same color. So yeah, we're just going to do a makeup and see how this comes out by the time I finish. So the first thing I have is the Makeup Forever Hydra Booster Primer. And you know, I don't know y'all, I guess I'm in a better mood this year around as my birthday comes up. Y'all saw the video, me talking about the old apartment that I lived in. Y'all know it was around this time last year that I really had my like breaking moment, crash out moment living there. And last year I turned 30, which exciting age, exciting year for me. But you know, when you got stuff going on, like it's not as exciting. So this year, you know, again, in a better mood, I'll be going home, and I need to stop saying like home. Well, I don't actually have to stop saying home like that because my parents' home is my home. But I said that to someone the other day, and for some reason they thought by me saying it that way, like my parents had left the state after they came here. And I'm like, no, like I'm just saying like their home. I'm going to their home. But I'm going for Super Bowl weekend with my dad, and then I'll be coming back home, and I'm having Valentine's Day for my birthday because y'all know my birthday is Valentine's Day, so it's always something trying to balance that out on, you know, having a birthday that falls on Valentine's Day. See what I'm gonna do? No, actually I'm gonna do the one size primer next. You gotta shake this up before you use it. Anyone else who has this, let me know if like you also deal with that. But like your first squeeze of this is always, oh, maybe it's because I shook it, but if you don't shake it, like liquid will come fall, like squirting out of it. Actually, I was gonna say falling, but like legit squirting out of there. And it's like the first time it happened to me, I wasn't expecting that. It flew right into my eye. Like, please. Then I tried to avoid. And if you see anything on the sides, y'all already know. I only spray down this section. It's gonna be covered anyway by the time I finish my hair. So please. But yeah, I don't take the one size primer underneath my eyes because that is a dry area. But like, you know, especially here above my brows, that is where my oily skin is. So make sure we cover all of that. Also, I'll be going over the lace with some of these products just to, you know, get some of the shine away because listen, I'm here for a good time, not a long time, all right? And then the Milk Cloud Glow Primer, get a little more hydration. Although you gotta fight with this one because it be slip sliding. It slide down real quick. Ooh. Okay, foundation today, we're gonna do the MAC Studio Radiance Face and Body, and then the NARS Natural Radiant. I thought about that for a little minute because, you know, especially with like ginger hair, you know, it's already warm, and you know, deeper complexion foundations can get orange real quick, neutral undertone, so trying to balance all of that out. But you know, we're gonna see how this goes. Ooh, we gonna trust the process. I'm trusting the process, but babe, when I tell you I looked at myself with just the foundation, I was like, my face is flat. So concealer, of course the Fenty concealer, but today I'm gonna use the Tower 28 in the shade SD, 5D, SD. It'll be in the description. Don't know, I just get a little general placement of the concealer, and then I go in with a sponge. I don't know, I feel like this hair color is giving me, what's the girl from Frozen? Is it Elsa? Is that it? I never watched Frozen, so but I feel like that's what it's giving. Is it Frozen? Is Frozen? No, I don't think I'm thinking of Frozen. It's not Frozen. I'm happy. Y'all, I feel like y'all know who I'm talking about. I just can't remember the name of it. All right, vision's starting to come together. I'm going to set my face. I did throw on the Hourglass concealer just to brighten it up a little bit. I don't know, I'm going for a more dramatic look today, I guess. Now to set that, I'm going to take the Urban Decay All Nighter. This is a universal shade. Looks like this. And push that in a little more. Also, don't use as much. Well, I don't use as much. I'm not telling you not to use as much. And then, yo, I realized it after I filmed the video, but when I did the video comparing pink, purple, and yellow, I was like, why didn't I use the honey powder from Laura Mercier? I don't really care for the Fenty powder on my under eye, and this is also a, you know, more like yellowish powder. So we're gonna use that today because, like I said, going for a brighter look, and let's see how this turns out. All right. Take some of that excess powder. Ooh. Okay, I used the LYS contour today. Go ahead and blend that out. Bring that all up into my concealer. And of course my camera's about to die. If it ain't one thing, it's another. And then Charlotte Tilbury for bronzer. Keep it light. Okay, the Huda blushes. It's literally the same two colors. Lately, I've been going over it with the NYX powder blushes. I don't know if I'll do that today. I gotta be careful when I get to the perimeter of my head, especially like the first day I get the braids done. Mind you, I just got these wig braids like 3 hours ago. You know, be real tight, real tension. Okay, so setting sprays today are going to be the Fenty U Mist and then the e.l.f. Power Grip. And then I'm going to do my lips off camera. There's no product in my hair, so I'm going to do my hair real quick, and then I will show you guys what it looks like all finished. All right, y'all, and that is it for my face. Just putting on my jewelry. Baby, you gotta just trust the process. You really do, because please, come on. I need to get some links taken out of this watch because it's not supposed to sit all the way down here. But my face, this hair color, yeah. Now I'm here for this combination. I think you can mix just about anything with the NARS foundation, but like since they have the same vibe, kind of like when I mix it with the Patrick Ta or when I mix it with Range Beauty, like they're all in the same family as far as finish. So it just, and then the sun is coming out. Yeah. And yeah, y'all, I mean, like there wasn't really a point to today's video. It was just me doing my makeup and y'all doing my makeup with me. But I'm here for this. Let me know if this should be like my go-to base while I am rocking this hair color. That is it for this video, y'all. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching me. I will see you in the next one. Bye.